Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show how to make mutton biryani. It's a rich and flavorful biryani. You can try this at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. So let's get started. First thing what you have to do is you need to soak the rice. I've taken half a kg of basmati rice. Wash it, soak it and leave it aside. Next step will be to cut the onions. I've taken 8 medium size red onion, slice and keep it on the side. Next step is take 2 tomato cut in dice, 5 clove of garlic, 1 inch of ginger. Blend it without adding any water. Next step is I've taken 1 tablespoon of dry coriander, bay leaf 3 each, cloves I've taken 3, cumin whole half a teaspoon, black peppercorn whole half a teaspoon, cinnamon stick 1 inch, nutmeg I've taken quarter, black cardamom 1, green cardamom 3, then I've taken mace 1, fennel seed 1 teaspoon and star anise 1 each. Now keep a pan and dry roast all these ingredients on a slow flame. Let it slowly get color and dry roast till it leaves the aroma. Check the color. This is how it should be without giving them too much color. Now turn off the flame, add couscous. I've taken 1 teaspoon and leave it aside till it cools down. Now once it cools down, grind all the dry ingredients without adding any water. Now we need to fry the onion. Take a deep bottom pan, add sufficient amount of oil in order to deep fry the onions. Once the oil is hot, add onion and fry till they are golden brown in color. Meanwhile, you need to keep one plate and butter paper ready in order to remove them once they are golden brown in color. Now check this, this is already ready. Now I'm going to remove this. I've already turned off the flame. You need to fry this onion on a medium flame. Check out this lovely color. This is how you need to separate and let it cool down. Now let's start preparing the mutton. I've taken half a kg with bone, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, few sprigs of mint leaves chopped and few sprigs of fresh coriander which is cilantro, half cup of curd, dahi, and add the dry ingredients which we ground. Add half of the onions which we fried and half leave it aside for further use. One and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and keep it aside for at least 1 hour. Now our next step is to boil the rice. Once the water is ready, add 2 bay leaf, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, half star anise, half tablespoon of fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon of salt. Let this boil for 1 minute at least, and then you add the soaked rice. Stir it so you don't break the rice. The rice we have to cook at least 90%, not fully cooked. This is very important guys, otherwise your biryani will be messy. It should be like grainy. That is why we need to cook rice for 90%. Now let's start preparing the mutton. I've taken 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, 3 green cardamom, 4 cloves, half an inch of cinnamon, 1 mace, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise. Saute it for few seconds and then add tomato which we had blended earlier together with ginger and garlic. Remember that we didn't add any water to blend the tomato, and cook till it becomes dry, till it start leaving the oil or ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 4 green chili slit and saute it for a while. Now it's time to add mutton, marinated mutton. And saute it on a medium flame. Guys, check this out. You have to cook it and keep stirring it so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. You need to cook the masala well. Now it's time to add little water. I've added 1 cup of water. Mix well. Cover and cook till the mutton is fully soft. Guys, check this out. Because of the smoke, I couldn't get a better color. Now check this. This is the real color of that. See how delicious it looks. It's time to do the mixing part. I have removed all the mutton and left some few pieces and gravy at the bottom. Add rice. Now we have to layer the biryani. Once you add rice, add fried onion, sprinkle some few sprigs of chopped coriander and mint. Add mutton gravy. Add rice again. This is how you need to layer out the biryani. Keep repeating the process till you finish all. Guys, check this out. This is how it is. Now you need to cover it and keep it on a flame on medium or slow flame for at least 20 minutes. This biryani is ready. Look how delicious it is. Guys, try this recipe at home and you can enjoy flavorful mutton biryani. Guys, thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much. Please do like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.